Start.
Hello guys, how do I look? Even though it's off season, it's too crowdy. So, this is the snow park. It's currently closed. So, let's go. So in this snow park, it's a 500 rupees ticket, and you can play snow volleyball and other slide games, and Gadi parking is there.
Okay, let's go.
So this is a very nice dress shop with very nice customized bag and heels and skirts and shirts and much more.
You want to check?
Yeah. Yummy salad. Masala papad, but it has become chapati because of pan. I'm so satisfied that we found a veg restaurant. I'm so happy and eating my food peacefully. Very hungry. So I'm eating dal khichdi. Very nice and very hot. So we came to eat ice cream. Al Norte mein. I'll see there. Which one you want? Kulfi?
Mango.
Mango illa. No. Love chocolate ice cream so much, so it's very hard to decide. I'll go for cone. Strawberry vanilla. No. Choco brownie. Or Oreo. Come on. So this is a very nice and cute aesthetic vintage style boutique.
Little louder, please.
So-
I can't hear voice.
The earrings are so beautiful. Maybe these all are handmade. And these bobby pins.
Want to buy this?
So nice.
Ask them.
Ooh, hairband.
Ask the price.
How much is this?
Well,
12.
yeah.
Very nice.
Very nice. Handmade earrings.
Yes.
This is so nice. Both earrings. Very nice earrings. Purses. And this nice tops. Wow, so beautiful. These rings are amazing. This is like marriage hobag wedding rings. Wow. So pretty. These are so nice, handmade mandala plus gem art. Huh. Baga Beach Road, and there are so many Kashmiri related items. These are all handmade from Kashmir, and that's why it's so beautiful. So nice. These earrings, these are all handmade. It's very beautiful. ಓಹೋ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಇಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು. Now we came to Baga Beach. Come on.
सारे मान गए
It's very nice over here. There's so many lights and it's very nice view over here of the beach. Come on. This place, I came here for my summer vacation for around 15 days, and Bangalore it's like 33 or 34 degree. It feels the same over here, but a bit more hot, you know, because it's Goa. And we'll sit here. Come on. So it's near the beach. We can't go because it's too dark and it's very happening over here. So yeah, I love the sun. It's resting Aramsa. I first thought it was a mountain of sand. So
Comfort.
nice Karnataka flag, butterflies, yellow and red. Goa, Karnataka. And very cute chuttu candle. Music in the beach, but it's not the peak season now. It's from October to Feb, so we didn't come at that time. It's less crowded and there are more people walking over here than compared to New Year time. Like,
So now we are enjoying.
yes.
Why do you come here? Is it
Yes.
because of
Because of the lightings, I come here and there is quiet and peace over here compared to the other season.
Peak season.
Peak season time.
Yes.
And there will be so much of noise that your head will break and bust. So fun to play with this sand and it's so soft. If we go a little more front, we can find so many seashells and I can collect and paint them.
But not now, it's too dark.
We have came to the Baga beach. Woo! Sadly, I can't play because it's too dark and there might be very, very, very dangerous insects. Any crabs, water creatures, and I don't know if it bites me. So, not going today. We'll go another day. Like, subscribe, share for Dolly's more videos of Goa vlog. Press on the bell icon for new videos like this. Okay, tata, love you, bye. Bye everyone.